Alright, this is a quick review on adding and subtracting. So 10 plus 2, you know in your head is 12, but I'm explaining step by step how to do it vertically. So if we do it vertically, we start from the right side. So 0 plus 2 is 2. And then we'll go to the next column. 1 plus, there's no number here, so it's technically 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. That's how you know 10 plus 2 is 12. But what happens when you get bigger numbers? So here's another example. So make sure you line them up. So you start on the right side. So 4 plus 5 is 9. The next column, 0 plus 0 is 0. And then the last column, 2 plus 0, because there's nothing there below it, is 2. So 204 plus 5, 209. Alright, so now a little bit more complicated. What happens if you have 67 plus 8? Start on the right side. 7 plus 8 is 15. Right? But we can't write 15 right here. We can only write the number in the 1 spot. So we're going to write 5. But what happens to the 1? We're going to carry it over here. So that is a 1. So now I have 1 plus 6 in this column is 7, because I added these two together. So 67 plus 8 is 75. So remember, you write the ones right here, and then the 1 we carry up top. And here's another example where we will practice. What if you have 2,743 plus 549? So again, start on the right side. 3 plus 9 is 12. So we're going to write the 2 here, and then we carry the 1 to this column. Now we're going to add everything that's in this column, including the 1. So 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Then we do the next column, the hundreds value spot. What is 7 plus 5? 12. So we put the 2 here, and then we carry the 1 again. And then we do the last column. 1 plus 2 is 3. So the answer is 3,292. Alright, so similar for subtracting. So if we have, let's do 48 minus 32. So this one, again, always start from the right. 8 minus 2 is 6. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. So 48 minus 32 is 16. And the next one we're going to do is what happens if you have, let's do 41 minus 25. So we start on the right side. So you would have to do 1 minus 5, which you can't do because that's a negative number. So we need to get 1 to become big enough to be able to subtract 5. So what you're going to do is you're going to make 4 a little bit smaller. We're going to change 4 to 3, and we're going to bring the 1 right here. So now this number is technically 11. And now we're going to do it vertically. So now we'll start again with this column. What is 11 minus 5? It's 6, and then this column. 3 minus 2 is 1. So remember, if you can't subtract it, because it's going to become negative, you're going to borrow from the one before. I'll do another example like that. So, for example, let's say you have 92, and we're subtracting 34. Start on the right side, so 2 minus 4 you can't do, because 2 minus 4 equals negative 2, and we can't do negatives. So I know I need to borrow. So 9 is going to become smaller, 1 smaller, so it's going to become 8. And then we carry a 1 right here. So now we're going to just do it again, but now it's 12 minus 4, which is 8. And then we do the next column, 8 minus 3, 5. So then your answer is 92 minus 34 is 58. If you always don't feel that like you got the right answer, you can check by adding these two back together. Is 58 plus 34, is it equal to 92? So just like we reviewed earlier, addition, you do it vertically, so 8 plus 4 is 12, carry the 1, so 5 plus 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 92. So yes, you got the correct answer. And that's it for reviewing, adding, and subtracting.